Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts at home easy and quick. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Also, have 1/2 cup of warm milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter ready. A pinch of salt completes your basic list. Now, let's prepare the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, yeast, and salt. Make a well in the center and pour in the warm milk, egg, and melted butter. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. After kneading, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough. Roll it out on a floured surface to a thickness of 1/2 inch. Use a 3-inch donut cutter to create your shapes. Finally, it's time to fry and glaze your delicious donuts. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying for 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown. Remove and drain on paper towels. While still warm, dip them into your favorite glaze.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.